My name is William Lester, and I live at Dockery, Mississippi. And turkey trumpets, I think, are a lot different than wing bones in the sense that wing bones, you don't control the size of the bone or the holes in there, and it takes a lot of air. When you draw air through a wing bone, you have to make the harmonics on your lip. And so when you're pulling that air in, you're kind of almost sucking like a vacuum cleaner, and it's real hard to be consistent. But with these trumpets and the controlled airflow, then you aren't drawing very hard, you're just drawing. You're drawing fairly easily, so you can make a consistent sound on a trumpet, which makes a difference. You know, when you're calling turkeys, if you can be consistent and not squeaky or make some strange note, you're just way better off.